She has organized the documents systematically. She has organized the documents systematically. He has prepared a nutritious breakfast. He has prepared a nutritious breakfast. They have decorated the hall elegantly. They have decorated the hall elegantly. She has sanitized the countertop thoroughly. She has sanitized the countertop thoroughly. He has replenished the water supply. He has replenished the water supply. She has arranged the bookshelf efficiently. She has arranged the bookshelf efficiently. They have purchased essential groceries. They have purchased essential groceries. He has examined the equipment carefully. He has examined the equipment carefully. She has completed the assignment accurately. She has completed the assignment accurately. They have maintained excellent discipline. They have maintained excellent discipline. He has transported the luggage safely. He has transported the luggage safely. She has polished the furniture meticulously. She has polished the furniture meticulously. They have cultivated fresh vegetables. They have cultivated fresh vegetables. He has inspected the vehicle thoroughly. He has inspected the vehicle thoroughly. She has assembled the bookshelf successfully. She has assembled the bookshelf successfully. They have preserved the old photographs carefully. They have preserved the old photographs carefully. He has adjusted the temperature precisely. He has adjusted the temperature precisely. She has utilized the computer efficiently. She has utilized the computer efficiently. They have accomplished their objective successfully. They have accomplished their objective successfully. He has appreciated everyone's contribution sincerely. He has appreciated everyone's contribution sincerely.